friends. This week we have two books about our springtime theme of new life. Okay, we're going to be reading about flowers and how flowers grow. It's called The Life Cycle of a Flower. Flowers don't always start out like this. First, they start out like a seed, and then the seed sprouts some roots, and that holds it into the ground. And from the roots, up pops a sprout called a stem, and on that stem, leaves grow. And then it grows bigger until you get a flower, or sometimes a fruit or a vegetable. Okay, but it always starts out as a seed. Over here I have some examples. This is a plant called basil. It's used for, the leaves are used for cooking. Okay, you don't always get to see what's under the ground. And here you can see the roots. That's what holds it down in the ground and keeps it growing straight up. And then after the roots, from the seed came the roots, and then it made a stem and then some leaves. This one won't get a flower because it's just the leaves are used for cooking. Here's another example. This is just a regular lima bean. I put a bean in some water and out sprouted the roots. It's going to crack all the way open, and then a plant's going to grow. You can do an experiment too by putting some lima beans on a moist paper towel, putting them in a baggie, and taping it to your window. And then you can watch and see how a plant grows. Okay? All right. So for our books, the first book we're going to read is Grow, Flower, Grow. Okay? Now in this book, we learn what flowers need to grow, what you should feed them, and what you should not feed them. This little girl, Fran, makes some mistakes, but then she figures it out in the end. Okay, so Grow, Flower, Grow. It's written by Lisa Bruce and illustrated by Rosalind Beardshaw. One day, Fran found a flower pot filled with soil. Poking out of the top was a tiny green tip. "I will grow this flower," Fran said to Fred. She took it home. "Grow, flower," she said, but the tip stayed tiny. "I think this flower is hungry," Fran said. So Fran went to the fridge, and inside she found some of her favorite food. She gave the flower a slice of pizza. The next day, Fran gave it a piece of cheeseburger. Then she gave it spaghetti, 2 chocolate chip cookies, and a large spoonful of strawberry ice cream. She even gave it one of Fred's juicy bones. But the flower didn't grow, and the tip stayed tiny. Fran got fed up. "Silly flower," Fran said, and she threw it out the back door. The flower pot fell onto the ground and rolled away, and the rain fell on it. The wind blew on it, and the sun shone on it. Finally, the tiny green tip grew and grew and grew until one day Fran and Fred went outside to play. When they opened the door, a surprise was waiting. A big, beautiful flower just for Fran. Okay. So do plants like pizza? No. They need soil and sun and water. Okay, the next book is called I'm a Seed. It's by Jean Marzollo, and it's illustrated by Judith Moffatt. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. I'm going to be a marigold when I grow up. Me too. No, you're not. Why not? Because you're a different kind of seed. What kind of seed am I? How should I know? Wait and see. Wait, how long? Not too long. See, we're growing. My stem goes up, up, up. My stem goes sideways. My leaves are small and perky. My leaves are big and hairy. My flowers reach up to the sky. My flowers are hiding under my leaves. My petals are yellow and orange and frilly. My petals died and I'm round and green. I have 20 flowers. Now I'm round and orange. What in the world am I? A pumpkin plant. You grew 6 pumpkins. They're beautiful. Thank you. I'm very proud. Know what's inside of us? What? Seeds. When my seeds are planted, they will become new marigolds. And when my seeds are planted, they will become new pumpkins. There should be a name for it. There is. It's called life. I'm a seed. I'm a seed too. And it starts all over again. The end.